If you are relying on a standard 6-month emergency fund to survive a potential 2026 market correction, you are walking straight into a mathematical trap. The financial industry has spent decades repeating the exact same comfortable advice about saving 3 to 6 months of expenses to be completely safe. But here is the fascinating problem that behavioral economists have recently discovered. That standard formula was originally designed for a personal crisis, like your car breaking down or a temporary gap in employment. It was never built for a systemic and prolonged market downturn. When you apply normal emergency fund logic to a global market correction, it triggers a psychological phenomenon that practically guarantees you will freeze in place. You will watch generational wealth-building opportunities pass you by while remaining too paralyzed by fear to act. Today, we are going to look at the exact amount of cash you actually need to hold to protect yourself. Chapter 1. The anatomy of a systemic shock. To figure out the exact cash number we need, we first have to deeply understand the difference between a personal emergency and a systemic shock. When you experience an isolated personal setback, the rest of the world is still functioning normally. If you happen to lose your primary income, your 6 months of cash buys you enough time to interview and find a new position in a healthy economy. But a broad market correction changes those economic rules entirely. Credit tightens up, corporate hiring freezes, and the expected recovery timeline stretches out significantly further than anyone plans for. Financial history consistently shows us that relying on just half a year of reserves during a true economic contraction leaves you mathematically exposed right as the market reaches its absolute